Good morning, all students. In my previous lecture of class 9, we had discussed about the coordinate geometry. I hope all students understand that one, and that is very easy chapter. Okay. Now next chapter we will discuss linear equations in two variables. So firstly, we will understand what is the meaning of linear equation two variables. So first is will come linear. So students, linear का meaning क्या होगा? Having degree is 1. Linear meaning having degree is 1. Second equation का meaning क्या होगा? Having that equal sign. And two variables having two different types of variables. So if we will combine equation which are having degree is 1 is known as linear equation, or an algebraical expression whose degree is 1 and are having equal sign is known as linear equation in two variables. So linear meaning having degree is 1, equation having equal sign, and two variables having two different type of variables. Next we will discuss its standard form. What is the standard form of linear equation in two variables? That is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. Okay, so any equation which can be written in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, that is called a linear equation in two variables. Now we will discuss example. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. So here given equation is a linear equation or not? Given equation is a linear equation because x highest power also 1 and y highest power is also 1, and equal also present, and two different type of variables are present or not? First variable is x and second variable is y. So that is called linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now second is 3x minus 2y equals to 0. That equation is a linear equation or not? That is also a linear equation because x highest power 1, y highest power 1. Linear, equal sign present है, and two different type of variable are present or not? Two different type of variable are also present. So that is also a linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now next question. 3x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0 is a linear equation. Then how we will find out the value of a, value of b and value of c? 3x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0 linear equation है. So a, b, c value कैसे find out करोगे? So for finding out the value of a, b, c, firstly we compare with its standard form. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So what is the coefficient of ax? X का multiple क्या है? A. And what is the coefficient of x? 3. So what is the value of a is 3. What is the multiple of y? B. What is the multiple of y? With sign minus 2. So what is the value of b? Minus 2. Here constant term, c. Here constant term minus 7. So a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 2, and c is equals to minus 7. So firstly you will identify that given equation is a linear equation or not. If linear equation, then you can easily find out the value of a, value of B and value of C with the help of comparing. Okay. Now next question is, if a equation is given only in one variable, then how we will convert into two variable and that in linear form. Question is, convert 2x plus 5 equals to 0 in two variable form. Then how we will convert it into two variable form? So firstly we will identify here that which variable is missing here. Y is not present, x is present, so write down 2x. Which variable is not present? Listen, which variable is not present? Then we will write down that variable. So which variable is not present? Y. So what we will write down? 0 dot y plus 5 equals to 0. जो वेरिएबल प्रेजेंट नहीं है उसको क्या करना है? 0 डॉट का मीनिंग क्या है? मल्टीप्लाई, 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करके उसको राइट करना है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखो, सपोज ये है 3y minus 5 equals to 0. So how we will convert? Which variable is not present here, students? X is not present. So what we will write down? 0 dot x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. So here, what is the value of A is 0. What is the value of B is 3. And what is the value of C is minus 5. Okay. So you can easily convert. How? If a equation is given to you in one variable, then how we will convert it into two variables. Next. Now, if some that type of words is given to you, then how we will use which one symbol, either plus or minus. Okay. Suppose आपको given है increasing. So increasing का मीनिंग मैथमेटिक्स में क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव. Is given to you after. After meaning is also positive. Now also plus. Okay. Hence is also positive. Decreasing meaning is minus. Before is minus. पहले. Ago is, if given to you ago, minus. 3 years ago, आज से 3 साल पहले, means minus. Given to you times, multiply. Given to you is, इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? Equal. 3 times of a number. 3 times of a number is 5. 3 times means multiply of a number is means equal 5. Increasing plus, after plus, now plus, hence plus, decreasing minus, before minus, ago is also minus, times is multiplied, and is equal. So if generally in word problem this type of words is using, then we will convert in that mathematical symbol. Now we discuss next question is, now some more words, if given to you more than, then we will use plus. Given to you less than, then we will use negative sign. Given to you of का जनरली मीनिंग क्या होता है? Multiply. Okay. Now we will discuss one question, students. The cost of ball pen. So firstly, we will identify here which are unknown variables. Cost of ball pen is not given, so first unknown is cost of ball pen. If 5 is less than the cost of the fountain pen, so two unknown. First is cost of ball pen and second is cost of fountain pen. So let the cost of ball pen be X rupees and cost of fountain pen be Y rupees. Now read this statement again. the cost of ball pen, what is the cost of ball pen here? X is means equal 5 rupees less than the half of the cost of fountain pen. What is the cost of fountain pen? Y. फाउंटेन पेन का कितना है? हाफ. हाफ का मीनिंग क्या है? मल्टीप्लाई 1/2. लेस देन मीनिंग इज माइनस. कितना लेस है? 5. अगेन द कॉस्ट ऑफ ए बॉल पेन, व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ बॉल पेन? X is means equal half of the cost of the fountain pen. So what is the cost of the fountain pen? Y. half multiply 1/2. कितना लेस है इससे? लेस देन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? माइनस. कितना लेस है? 5. So minus 5. So equation is x equal y/2 minus 5. सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में करना चाहते हो. x equal LCM is 2 y minus 10. 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करो. So इक्वेशन क्या बनेगी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में? 2x equal y minus 10. So 2x minus 10y plus 10 equals to 0. Understand? Next, सी क्लास में देखो क्या चेंज कर सकते हैं. चेंजेस देखो इसमें ओनली स्मॉल चेंज कर दिया. द कॉस्ट ऑफ ए बॉल पेन इज 5 rupees more than 2/5 times of cost of the fountain pen. Then write the linear equation. Cost of a ball pen is 5 rupees more than 2/5 times of cost of the fountain pen. Then write the linear equation. So unknown को सेम लेंगे. फर्स्ट अननोन क्या है आपके इसमें? कॉस्ट ऑफ बॉल पेन x ले ली. कॉस्ट ऑफ फाउंटेन पेन क्या कंसीडर करी आपने? y. नाउ स्टेटमेंट रीड करो. कॉस्ट ऑफ ए बॉल पेन की कॉस्ट क्या है? x इज मीन इक्वल 5 मोर देन है. सो मोर देन में इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा. a plus b राइट करो, b plus a राइट करो. 5 मोर देन मींस प्लस 2/5. टेंस का मीनिंग क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लाई. किसका टेंस है? फाउंटेन पेन. फाउंटेन पेन की क्या है? y. सो क्या बना? x equal 5 plus 2y upon LCM. x is equals to 5. 25 plus 2y. 5 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, क्या बनी इक्वेशन? 5x is equals to 25 plus 2y over 5x minus 2y minus 25 equals to 0. So in formation of linear equation, first one you know the meaning of that symbols. कि जिसमें given has का meaning क्या है, symbols का meaning क्या है, and read question again and again. Especially word. What is meaning of is? What is the meaning of more than? What is the meaning of times? What is the meaning of is? What is the meaning of less than? What is the meaning of ago? What is the meaning of hence? Okay, so today we discuss about what is the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, discuss about the linear equation in two variables and how we will form the linear equation in two variables. Okay, so today you will do some questions that is based on linear equation in two variables. That given equations is a linear equation or not? If given equations is a linear equation, then how we will form the or how we will find out the value of A, value of B and value of C. Then in next lecture we will discuss about the solution of the linear equation. Justly I will give you brief idea that solution of linear equation, we all know that linear equation graphical representation क्या होता है? Straight line. और लाइन का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है? By connecting the infinite points. अगर आप infinite points को ज्वाइन करते हो तो उससे क्या किसका फॉर्मेशन होता है? लाइन का फॉर्मेशन होता है नहीं होता? सो इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स को कनेक्ट करने से लाइन का फॉर्मेशन होगा. सो मीनिंग क्या होगा? सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस कितने होंगे? इसके इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस प्रेजेंट होंगे. ओके, So in today's class that is all about. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming important videos. Thank you.